Hello and welcome to Dazonn Technologies, the go-to place for all things web development and design. I am Dazonn Technologies, your host, and in today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of creating a professional website. Whether you are starting from scratch or looking to revamp your current site, we've got the knowledge and tips you need to succeed. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the skills and insights to make a website that not only looks amazing but also functions flawlessly. So, let's get started. How to make a professional website. Section 1. Planning your website. Before we dive into the technical aspects, it's essential to start with a solid plan. We'll discuss setting clear goals, defining your target audience, and planning your website structure. Remember, a well-thought-out plan is the foundation of any professional website. Section 2. Choosing the right tools and platforms. We'll guide you through choosing the right tools and platforms. You'll learn about popular website builders, like WordPress, Wix, and Squarespace, as well as hosting options. We'll help you make informed decisions that align with your goals. Section 3. Designing your website. A professional website is not just about functionality, it's also about aesthetics. We'll discuss the principles of good design, choosing the right color schemes, fonts, and creating a user-friendly interface that captures your brand's essence. Section 4. Building the website. Now, it's time to get our hands dirty. We'll take you step by step through the website development process. From setting up the initial structure to customizing templates, adding content, and optimizing for mobile devices, we've got you covered. Section 5. SEO and optimization. No professional website is complete without search engine optimization, SEO. Learn how to improve your website's visibility on search engines, optimize images and content, and make your site lightning fast. After this section, your website will be on the path to success. Congratulations! You've just completed the journey of creating a professional website from scratch. We hope this video has been a valuable resource for you, and we encourage you to put your newfound knowledge into practice. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting web development and design content. Stay connected with us on social media, and if you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Stay connected with us on call or website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy website building!